today we're gonna do eating with no hands. Round 1, go. Takes me a long time to chew. You have to swallow it. No! Okay, so part 2 is Go-Gurts. Ready, set, go. Ow!
It's not opening.
Oh no.
No, I got it!
I have to catch it!
I won.
No! Okay, so round 3 is orange juice. Alright, ready, set, go.
I can't get the last bit.
Bring it closer to me.
I know how to.
Wait, I have an idea.
I have a better one. It's not working.
I'm done. No, I won. No, there's still some left. There's still some left. Okay, now that Max's coughing attack is over, the final round is Jello. Okay, ready, set, go.
Are you okay?
I got the wrapper off. Ah, no, no! I got.
Have you gotten it? Oh my God, you cheater! I win!
Okay, so let's see. I won the. Wait, what did I win?
Z-bar.
Oh, yeah, I won the Z-bar.
I won Go-Gurt.
You won Go-Gurt.
You won orange juice.
Oh yeah, I won the orange juice.
And then you cheated on Jello, which means I win that, and that's 2 against 2. I don't want to do a 5th round. You cheated, you lose, I win.
Yeah, I guess that makes sense.
Yeah, that makes sense.
No!